You are looking at one of the most iconic future classics. The BMW Z3 Roadster, here obviously customized to Japanese taste, is the car that revolutionized BMW's car manufacturing process and became a heritage icon, vaguely echoing the best of BMW's sports roadster cars of the early 20th century. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you are alerted when we make a new upload. This excellent car with a unique long-nosed roadster appearance has been designed by Japanese highly acclaimed car designer Yoji Nagashima, who is also the father of the E90 BMW 3 Series and highly valued by collectors E39 M5 V8. If you are looking for a supremely durable, simple to maintain, perfectly stylish roadster, then the Z3 is a brilliant choice. Bear in mind that the Z3 is its original, well-cared state will quickly become a rare collector's item within a few years from today. Indeed, Z3 prices are still a bargain by 2023. One of a kind, nothing like any other car. The elongated, highly aerodynamic bonnet with integrated fenders takes up almost a third of the car. Large embossing across the bonnet reflects the car's sporting nature and is a clear reference to the magnificent BMW 507 originally unveiled in 1956. Almost entirely defining the car's silhouette, the engine hood sets a breathtaking tone. BMW-style double-glass headlamps are nothing short of iconic. Behind the chrome-surrounded kidneys lies the vast engine compartment. The BMW Z3 was available with either a 4-cylinder or a 6-inline cylinder engine, both of which are mounted for excellent handling and incredible balance. With a length of almost 4 meters and a height of just 127 centimeters, the Z3's perfect silhouette makes it a true roadster archetype. The shark's gill-shaped air vents along the bonnet's edge are an undeniable emblem reminiscent of the BMW 507. The fabric folding roof transforms the Z3 from a unique roadster to a highly attractive convertible in a blink of an eye. It is worth noting that BMW, along with other manufacturers, offered an accessory hardtops that made this convertible a great-looking roadster for year-round use. The rear of Z3 is just as stunning. Naturally, there is no wing on the original. This particular model is the 1997 version prior to the facelift. It is characterized by its simple, half-oval rear lights. As this is a 4-cylinder version, the rear fenders are standard width. 6-cylinder versions and the Z3M, which never underwent a facelift, have a rear section that is 86 mm wider than on the 4-cylinder models. The facelifted version has modified rear lights and a single-width rear. From a collector's point of view, the pre-facelift 6-cylinder and Z3M are definitely desirable. The Z3 boot is surprisingly spacious as the roof folds down behind the seats, leaving the same volume regardless of whether the roof is up or down. There is also a battery in the boot, positioned to balance the car perfectly. The interior of the Z3 is classic 2000s BMW. Nothing is missing in terms of equipment. There is air conditioning, power seats upholstered in imitation leather, electrically adjustable mirrors, central locking and airbags. Yet what is most important is the driving position and how well this car feels to drive. Once you are seated, you will find there is plenty of room even for a 190 cm tall person. The sitting position is low, with an almost perfect all-round view, both with the roof folded down and open. Looking at the road, you can constantly appreciate the huge muscular bonnet and wide front fenders, while in the rear view mirrors those wide rear wheel arches. A stunning experience, as you are seated almost at the rear axle which powers the car. The Z3 comes with a 25% differential lock as standard, plus the option to switch off the traction system. It's a great sensation of driving a Z3 regardless the engine version. Handling is confident and cornering excellent. The suspension is relatively soft and does not suffer from rough surfaces. Technically, the suspension is very simple, durable and inexpensive to repair, as is the drivetrain. Z3 is a great car with excellent aerodynamics that does not compromise comfort even with the roof open. An outstanding daily driver as well as a joy to drive. Similar BMW Z3 you can buy at BeForward. The Z3 A36/7 1996 to 2002 model starts from $3,210. Please check current prices on the BeForward website. This Z3 is equipped with a 1895 cubic centimeters all-cylinder naturally aspirated engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox. Although the spec you are looking at is one of the less powerful variants, producing only 117 PS and 180 Nm of torque, it is a joy to drive as it weighs just 1,150 kg. Its average consumption varies depending on driving conditions from 5.9 liters to 9.5 liters per 100 km in dense city traffic. Note that the Z3 has various engine and gearbox options. Engines range from 1.8 to 3.2 liters. Performance varies from 114 PS all the way up to 325 PS, taking the Z3 from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds, with top speed electronically limited to 250 km per hour. Great classic that makes automotive history. If you are interested in buying a BMW Z3 or other BMW Classic at the low price, please check out the links in the description below or visit beforward.jp. You can also send your inquiries to top@beforward.jp. Please hit like and share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos.